I'll get a nice leaf for the...
Yeah. Alright. I'm smearing the sap all over the inside of this thing. Some of it. I got this part soaked in it so we can use it as a match, and then this got a little bit on it, so. And then this one will burn too.
And you can just throw that on top of this one, I guess.
Okay. So this has got the punk wood plus some of the sap covering the inside of this.
Yeah.
Don't go too quick, I'm gonna take my shoes off too.
Yeah, just take your time warming the board up.
Yep. That's what worked for me.
It's not about getting the fire just yet. We've got some investments. It's funny how shoes can be such a hindrance.
I don't like them. I mean, I like my strip down version right here. But
Take your time just going down the spindle, keeping the board warm. Are you generating smoke?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't get attached to the smoke and don't think about finishing it, because you want a nice dust pile. You're in that flat-footed squat, Aaron.
Yep.
It's awesome. Is it pretty comfortable?
yeah, it is for this actually.
Got the dust falling down in the notch. It's still in the notch. Good smoke. Keep that going, that pressure down. I think you guys can get it. This is a good set. You want me to go for that?
Sure, I'm good, but yeah.
Okay, Aaron. Bet all you got.
Hold it.
Yeah, keep that.
I think we got it.
Just keep going though. Aaron, if you need to swap out, just let them know. You guys just need to get some hard down strokes on there. Hold that down for me.
Alright.
Using your whole hand. Yeah, lean into it as you
It's starting to get weird.
tight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shit. I think we might have had it.
Yeah.
And then we put too much dust on top of it.
Yeah.
Here. 1 second.
Is it still smoky down there? No.
Yeah, it was starting to get clogged up.
Yeah.
So.
Alright.
Oh.
Well, this is good practice. You guys have plenty more energy, it looks. You guys definitely weren't on the last end of your efforts.
See what I mean? It was starting to...
It's getting caught up in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard of that.
Mm-hmm. So take 2.
Yeah. Slow down, man. Just chill.
I am chill.
Breathe. That's a big thing. Don't drill through the board. Just generate heat. Yeah, you guys drilled through that last notch really quickly.
Yeah.
Like it only took a couple minutes. So the problem was, I think, a bit of too much downward pressure and not enough just general heat creation through, yeah, long spins like that. A lot of rotations. And save that really downward pressure for the end. good. Think you can finish it, Aaron?
Maybe.
That's looking very solid. A few more. Breathe through your nose.
Okay, take over, Garret.
Just spin it, Garret. Don't worry about drilling through the board, okay?
I think we might. We keep choking it
Yeah.
out, man. It's like
Keep it spinning,
we
keep
get
it
too much dust, and
Yeah.
When you lift it out like that, you lose a lot of heat, but I mean, it's pretty hot already. Is it getting stuck
Yeah,
again?
it's
You
getting
drill through the
stuck.
bottom now?
Yeah. It's pretty damn deep. Yeah, I think we choked it out.
yeah, it got choked out.
Keeps making that squeaky plastic noise.
That changing noise is what you're really looking
Okay,
for.
take over.
So you just hear it just grinding now. You guys. Really close. A lot of smoke. Just keep breathing now.
You want me to take over after this?
Don't worry about drilling down through it. Just
Okay, go.
work the spinning. See how many spins you get. Get it nice and hot. Oh, be careful kicking it out like that. So close. We both got embers with this kit
Yeah.
the other day. Just a little more controlled situation.
Okay, go. See, I feel like we're getting clogged up again.
I'm getting worn out.
Two more.
Yeah, keep that going, Aaron. You got it more in you. Breathe, man.
Go.
Go, go, go. I think we got it.
Oh, we got it. We got it.
Got it.
Yeah.
Stop. Okay, just chill. Pull the spindle up.
Okay, guys. This is what will save us if that doesn't work. Got a piece of chaga here, so transfer the coal to the chaga. And then give me the piece of chaga and try to do it without it, though.
Yep.
You got your punk wood and all the other things you wish to try. Your backup plan will be this piece of chaga. Catch it to an end, that is. I can keep that blown on, so. Beautiful.
Okay, so.
And this will just keep burning for, this probably has a couple minutes in it at least. The wind is kind of burning it up quicker.
Alright, yeah.
But you still got some more dust here, guys.
Oh, yeah.
How can we transfer that in there without compromising it? Typically, guys, I would turn it upside down, turn the bundle, but you already put some. Get down in there.
Watch out, my thumb's on the other side. Be careful.
Once we get a flame, what are we gonna do?
I got balsam on the stick, and I got balsam on the bark. I'm gonna catch the flame. Got a bed of punkwood for backup coals.
Should we have a little fire structure built there for something to receive the
I'm
flame?
just gonna put stuff on it.
Okay. There you go.
I'm gonna feel them blow up for a while.
Long breaths, long breaths.
Fuck.
Is it gone?
It went out, eh?
Yeah, it went out.
Okay,
It's alright.
we got our piece of choggy here. This is our backup plan. This is why I always have a backup plan for my hand drill flames. So we want to maybe break up some tiny little leaves on top of that.
I can't
No,
do
even more
anything,
so.
so.
Yeah, I know.
I only have one hand here. Okay, that's burning really hot, so a little bit more on top of there, but don't let it go too long because that's already been burning for a few minutes.
Alright. Got thicker smoke coming now. Keep going a little bit.
Alright guys, be very delicate with this. We don't want to smuggle this fire. That's why I like to build a little structure before I do this, but this will work most likely. You guys got a lot of dry materials. Might use those pine cones or something that's got a lot of sap on there.
Some coals.
Oh, we got a visitor.
Yeah, like just medium blow.
Frog was sitting with us the whole time. Didn't even see him. Pretty big one. His camouflage is pretty good. I don't even see him.
Really dry.
Alright guys, hand drill fire in the woods.
Awesome.
Sit with your fire and be excited that that was made solely with some wood materials.
I feel like I could do this on my own now.
You think?
Yeah.
I think you guys should definitely give it a shot now. Should try more and more to make this your primary
my hands
fire.
aren't as bad now, and that was the third time. I feel a little bit of blistering stuff, but
Mhm.
it's not.
Well, you guys did 3 heavy rounds of it. You know, you did 3 different notches.
Yeah.
Yeah, about 2.5.
My hands feel good though after I
Yeah.
got them like completely.
Yeah, mine feel just a little bit of soreness.
It's
But
like they were sore before, and then when you just go into it,
don't forget
it's
your
just like,
canteen.
yeah, it just, yeah,
Yeah.
your hands just completely get used to it. It's not even painful.
Yeah.
Garrett, you said that you didn't need half the materials that you gathered. Didn't you
Yeah.
say something like that? You didn't
Yeah.
need half of it?
Yeah.
Like this crap's like over here.
We
and-
prepped for it, which is good, but we ended up not even needing most of the stuff that we did have. So.
That was honestly a lot easier than I expected, even with the 3 tries.
So you ended up. I feel like, what I observed was that you guys spent quite a bit of time prepping, and I think you spent. I mean, you should most likely spend more time
Yeah.
prepping than actual fire creating. Like you should be able
Yeah.
to throw some sparks or whatever and get your fire going soon. But you guys spent like significantly more time prepping than you needed to. It seems.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if this was more of a situation in the evening, you know,
Emergency situation.
you would have had to cut that down to a certain amount of time so that you got things going before it got too dark. Or
See, I would have tried to find leaves right away in the beginning,
yeah.
like rather than search around. I just saw one leaf, and then I kept finding more and more.
Yeah.
So just go where the leaves are.
I think the leaves were just like the biggest thing for you, but
Yeah.
the leaves were the last thing you gathered.
Yeah.
Funny how that works.
Yeah.
I mean, overall, the whole thing, everything you gathered was why
I think
you
I was
found
kinda hesitant
success.
because I wasn't sure that we'd be able to get it,
Yeah,
but not really in a bad way. I just wanted to over prepare.
yeah. I mean, it's your first,
Yeah.
woods hand drill.
Yeah.
I mean, and it's one of you guys' only couple you've ever got, right?
Yeah.
Second one?
My
Second one each? Last one was in the yurt, or by the yurt.
Yeah.
So I think that it's a good thing that you guys over prepped, even though you expended more energy you need to,
Yeah.
because it gave you guys a sense of security that
Yeah.
it can get done. So if you did get the ember, that it,
Good thing we had that chaga that you had.
yeah, that's why I'm a big advocate of having a coal extender when it comes to hand drill, just by my
Yeah.
successes. Now, ultimately, we should be good enough just to blow the dust into flame, because we're not always going to have a coal extender, but
Yeah.
I think that a good fire kit, like a good hand drill kit, if you're going to have it with you, should have a coal extender.